Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the best microphone settings for your Discord app. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up Discord. All right, now once you're in here, go ahead over to the bottom left, click on User Settings, wait for it, and in the left panel, scroll down a bit, find Voice and Video. And here we have the microphone settings. Okay, so first up, you would need to find your microphone. Okay, you could go ahead and set this one to Windows default or your preferred microphone. And then once that's done, under speakers, you could go ahead and select one of your headphones, speakers right here, or even earbuds. Okay, and then after that, you could test your mic from here. If not, scroll down a bit and you will find input profile where you have voice isolation. This will automatically cut through the noise. For example, you select this option. Let's say you have a background noise. It will automatically cut, and it will also compress your audio. For example, the lowest vocal that you produce, Discord right here will make it higher, and when you shout, Discord right here will make it lower. Okay, if you know what I mean. And then after that, you have the studio option right here, which basically means open mic with no processing. So this doesn't have the noise canceling as well as the compression. So if you want this option, if you want your microphone to pop out, well, select this option. Let's say you have configured your microphone from a third-party application, okay, just like what I do in here. Well, I might just go ahead and use Studio right here, okay? But if you want to, you can go ahead and use Custom and set it up however you want. So automatically adjust input sensitivity. This is what I meant earlier, okay? The compression. Also, if you don't talk, this one right here will not pop out. As you can see, it's not transmitting when I'm not talking. Okay, now scroll down a bit. We have noise suppression right here. If I were you, I'm just going to use Crisp, okay, as this is free on Discord. But if you go ahead and use Crisp outside of Discord, you'll pay some amount of money. You have echo cancellation here as well as push to talk. Now you can go ahead and click on this drop down right here where it says advanced options. You have automatic gain control. This is under the compressor thing I've said earlier. Okay, now scroll down once more. If you want to enable global attenuation, you just go ahead and use the slider right here. Now if you bump it up, it lowers the volume of other applications by this % when someone is speaking. Okay, but if you were playing, I'd highly suggest you to keep it to 0, okay? Information is key for games. Now, you can just disable all of these right here and disable quality of service if you don't want to get some errors when connecting to servers, okay? And that's basically it. Once that's done, you should be good to go. No need to click on a save button, all right? You can just go ahead over to the very top, just like here, and test your mic. Check, check, all right? And that is it. That is the best microphone settings for Discord. Now, if you want me to create a video about changing your mic's quality, just like what I have in here, just go and let me know in the comments below. All right, we're going to be using another app for that, and then connect it to Discord for you to be able to sound beautiful or even more crisp. And for men's right there, even more bassy. Okay, that's it for now. That is the best microphone settings for Discord. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.